Welcome. I am Professor Mahadevappa here. I have been teaching master degree in public administration for the last 30 years. And as far as Indira Gandhi National Open University is concerned, they have a paper code, which code is MPA-014 under the heading of Human Resource Management. And it is one of the 4 subjects in the first year that is going to be there. And in Indira Gandhi National Open University, as long as the answers are concerned in each of the subjects of public administration is concerned, you are supposed to write only 500 words for the main question, which carries 20 marks. Therefore, I have tried to have the answer for each of the questions drawn from the question papers that have appeared in MPA examinations so far. And I am trying to share with you the answers I have written for each of the questions of that particular paper, which are all coming under Master Degree in Public Administration of Indira Gandhi National Open University. During my interaction in the last 30 years, students came with the problem that because of the time that is available to them, they have not been able to prepare themselves for the answers, and as such, they just wanted to find out how they can go about. Therefore, no doubt we see so many pages on a given topic or on a given chapter, but you are to conform to the requirement of the university of answering each of the questions with not more than 500 words. That being the case, we need to specify ourselves to the requirement of the question. And here I have taken a question, namely define training and discuss important training methods. Therefore, what is required by us is you have to define the training, and as well you have to discuss on important training methods that are being there, so that you confine and conform to the questions in particular. And therefore, I will just go through that for your information, and thereafter, depending on your requirement or depending on the situations, we are likely to share the answers for each of the questions of various papers that are likely to be looked into in the last years. Now, in particular reference to the current question, I have answered like this. The first thing is definition. So definitions and meaning of training given by various experts are given in there. The Gary Dessler's definition is training is the process of teaching new employees the basic skills they need to perform their jobs. And training is a process of transmitting and receiving information related to problem solving. And that is how I have taken 6 of them, so that you will be able to have at least 3 to 4 in your memory. And then they have asked about the important methods, important training methods. So we have gone into the methods of training. Here, there are 2 types of training, on-the-job training and off-the-job training. So I have tried to enlist as to what are all the on-the-job training. Here, this is common method of training where a trainee is placed on a specific job and taught skills and knowledge necessary to perform. The advantages of on-the-job training are, it is given. Then on-the-job training methods are as follows: job rotation, coaching, job instructions, committee assignments, internship training, and it is only within the factory or within the office premises or within the compound of the factory or the organization, these things are being there on the job training. And when it is out of the company or out of the premises, any training that is likely to be taken outside are called off the job methods. And here we can find the following off the job methods. They are called case study method, incident method, role play method, in basket method, business games, grid training, lectures, stimulations, management education, and conferences. So since we have to cover all these methods and we should have to conform to 500 words only, I have tried to manage to cover the answer with 820 words, so that you could perhaps keep writing them every day repeatedly and make yourself that you would be able to memorize at least 75 to 80% of that, which may perhaps come around 500 to 600 words. And as far as the examination is concerned, it is given for 3 hours, wherein each of the questions need to be answered within 35 minutes, and 500 words will necessarily take 25 to 30 minutes. And then that is how I have tried to give you the answer of 860 words, 820 words, so that you could perhaps practice, perfect yourself by writing repeatedly and make yourself confident to answer those questions that are being appearing in the ensuing examinations. All the best.